Every successful business has these five things to help them make consistent sales. And today I want to show you what those pieces are and why every business needs them. Now, I don't have an acronym for this, but we're going to break down these five. PAOSF, and I'm going to break each one of these down. And one of the biggest myths that online creators or entrepreneurs believe is that the most successful businesses have dozens of automations. They have really complicated funnels. They have all this expensive tech and software, and that simply could not be further from the truth. And I'm going to break that down to you. Most people spend months building something that they think people want, and they neglect the one thing that every business needs to be a business, which is selling, right? So the reality is that the businesses that are doing consistent sales, they usually aren't more complicated. They're usually very much more simple. So that brings me to my first point. Your business needs clear positioning, which means that people need to know what you do and who you help. A lot of times if someone says, hey, what do you do? Or if a client or customer asks you, what do you do? If you can't give that in a few sentences where they can simply understand it, then you don't have good positioning. Biggest thing that people struggle with is their marketing. And it's not that you're not a good marketer, but it's because people don't immediately understand what do you actually help people do. And that's what positioning is all about. So if your message is confusing, your marketing becomes confusing, and people don't understand the value, and then they don't buy. Now, once you let people understand what it is that you do and who you help, then you need something to offer them. All right. And that's where we get to the next thing, the next point, which are assets, right? So the thing that you know, the thing that you teach, the thing that you are trying to help people learn or transform their life, you have that knowledge. You need to turn it into an asset, right? Because once you're clear on your positioning, what you help people do and who you help, you need to give them something. And so you need to turn your knowledge into an asset. And the asset, most creators, they create content and they move on to the next post. But business creators, right? Business owners, entrepreneurs, what they do is they create things that will live on after people see that post or after they get offline. So your knowledge has to become assets: books, guides, videos, emails, templates, resources. That's what we're talking here. Now that someone knows what you do, who you help, and then through these assets, videos, and resources and templates, they start to trust you. Now you offer them something. All right. And that's the third point here. Offer, right? Right. Positioning. Who do I help? What do I do? Or what do I help people with? I give them a way to help them via assets like videos and guides and templates. And then I offer them something, which is your knowledge turned into something that you can sell. And they need a way to buy from you. And that brings us to a simple offer. A surprising number of entrepreneurs don't have a simple offer that people can understand. They have services and packages and coaching and courses, and all of that is good. A good offer is just a simple solution to a specific problem. A simple solution to a specific problem, because people, they buy clarity, not complexity. If things seem too hard for them to understand, or like I can't take the next step, they will not buy. Now, if it's easier for somebody to understand the outcome that they're going to get, it is easier for them to become a customer. But having an offer is not enough. People still have to discover it. And that brings us to the thing that this could be an M, but system, right? A marketing system, because people have to know you exist. Half the time it's not that you don't have a good product, or that you don't have a good offer, or that you don't have good assets. It's that people don't know about you. You don't have a marketing system. You don't have a way to let people know you exist. And so this could be an MS, marketing system, because marketing needs a system, right? And this is where most entrepreneurs get overwhelmed, right? So they think that marketing means, and I want to just help you out right now, that doesn't mean posting everywhere, because people get burned out by doing that. Doesn't mean trying every platform. You don't have to run with every trend. Instead, successful businesses, they build repeatable systems, repeatable systems. I have frameworks for a lot of different things. I have frameworks for sales. I have frameworks for how I record my videos, how I create content. So if you build systems around that, whenever you get to doing anything in your business, you'll have a system that you can follow for each piece of content or each thing that you're doing in your business, so you can make sure that you're not wasting time and you're doing more focused things. Okay, so that's marketing systems. And then this system is how you're going to turn strangers consistently into people that are leads that get to know you, and then those can eventually become customers without guessing. Now, once that's working and you stop chasing sales, because this is what a lot of us do, right? I need to get the sale, buy, right? Without genuinely having a system that introduces them to you, which takes the pressure off of you to sell, right? Once this is working, right, you got the system working, then you want to grow. And to do that, and I just mentioned it, I have a framework for everything. That's what the F stands for, framework. All right. And frameworks help you remember certain things when your customers or clients ask you a question, when you're trying to help somebody, when you're trying to deliver a talk or content. If you have frameworks, it'll help you break down complex things into very simple topics. You can work as hard as you want, but if you're working on the wrong things and you're not doing the things that's going to move the needle, you're just going to be wasting time, right? And businesses don't grow because people work harder. You can have the hardest working person, but if they don't have good systems and good frameworks, then they'll just be spending all of that hard work and energy on things that don't move the needle. But when you have a repeatable framework, you know what comes next, you know what deserves your attention, and what can wait. And then that makes growth intentional instead of random. So here's the biggest takeaways that I want you to remember. Successful businesses are not built on a bunch of disconnected tactics, right? It's built in a systematic way. And if you use this framework, so to speak, this will help you in your business stop wasting time. It'll give you clear positioning, useful assets that will help people move towards a solution, and hopefully they buy from you once you've shown them that you can solve some of their simple problems. Then create a simple offer that's clear and easy to understand that solves a specific problem. And then a repeatable marketing system that you can use for every single piece of content that leads back to your offer. And then a framework that ties everything together. Now, when these 5 pieces exist, then everything else becomes so much easier. If you're trying to simplify your business and not make it more complicated, I've come up with something called the One Product Starter Guide. And that One Product Starter Guide is going to take you through most of these steps. And it's going to help you create a simple offer, right? A product, same thing as an offer that is clear and is positioned clearly, and it helps people understand the value that you provide and how you can help them. If you want to get that, the link is in the description. And then it comes along with a little bit of training to help you implement. And it'll help you start with this foundation that every successful online business needs. So that's the big takeaway. Don't complicate it. Use frameworks and these 5 things. And if you remember these, you'll save yourself a lot of time. So don't forget to download that One Product Starter Guide. The link is down in the description, and it will help you get started. I cannot wait to serve you. Take care, peace, and blessings.